Good morning, children. Welcome back. And as we have completed the chapter of Tipiti, today we are going to start with the exercises of this chapter. So, children, just see to exercise A. Find out from the passage about the following. A. The color of Tipiti's fur. So, what was the color of Tipiti? Tipiti had red color, if you remember. So, the color of Tipiti's fur was red. B. The length of Tipiti's tail, 2 feet, which is again and again repeated by me. C. Any 5 things that made up Tipiti's diet. See, Tipiti was fond of many things, but she was most fond of custard, walnuts, pudding, fruits, new leaves of the branches, fresh leaves. Now, next question, D. The breeds of Tipiti's best friends. Who were Tipiti's best friends? The 2 dogs which were pets of the author, right? And their breeds were Field Spaniel and Tibetan Sheep Dog. Okay? Now, E. The scientific name of the birds who ate the walnuts bored by Tipiti. Who were the animals who used to eat the walnuts which were bored by Tipiti? Bored means holes were made by Tipiti. So, that scientific name was Nucifraga hemispila. Okay? After this, we have questions whose answers I will provide you in the PDF as an assignment. Okay? So, let us move to next exercise. Now, this exercise, it is one word for many. And children, if you remember, we have done it many a times, one word for many. One example is given. A naturalist is one who studies animals, birds and plants. Okay, so our author was a naturalist. He studied about animals, birds and plants. Same way, there are some more words given here for which you have to do yourself. Okay, so this will be your homework. This will be your homework and you have to do it yourself. What you have to do is you have to write a surgeon. Who is a surgeon and what does he do? So you have to look into the dictionary and write about a surgeon. I'll tell you, surgeon, a person who does surgery, right? Same way, you will have to search for the word chef, a veteran, an explorer, an architect, a pioneer, and so on. So children, I hope you will do this in your book. This have to be done in the book. You don't have to do it in the notebook. Is it clear, children? Now, after this, we will move to the next exercise, that is of pronouns. And children, in your previous classes, you have already studied that pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns, right? And pronouns are of different types, right? Personal pronouns, which are first person, second person, third person. I is the first person, you stands for second person, and it, they, them, they all stand for the third person. So, then we have reflexive pronouns, means myself, yourself, herself. Such pronouns are reflexive. So, we have another one exercises, not one exercises, some exercises related to pronouns. So, just see. Look at the highlighted pronouns and state their types. Write P for personal, PS for possessive. Possessive pronouns which shows the ownership, right? D for demonstrative means which are pointing out at something, this, that, these, those. And R for reflexive pronouns, right? Reflexive means myself, yourself, herself. in the first one, Nikhil gave his sister the pen for it belonged to her. So it is what? It is the personal pronoun. Next, he pointed in the distance and said, those are my fields. Those, he is pointing, so it is demonstrative, right? See, the dog was looking at itself. As I said, herself, himself, myself, yourself, itself are all, which ones? Reflexive in the mirror. So this is, third is reflexive. Fourth, she was waiting for those birds to appear, but they did not. Now, fourth one, which is the highlighted one? They. And as I said, I is first person, you is second person, and they, them, they are all third person. So it is personal pronoun, and we will write P for personal. Next, that is the fifth one. Daman held up the pajamas and said to Ali, are these yours? Are these yours? Got it? Yours means it is showing क्या ये तुम्हारे हैं, means it is showing the ownership, and when it is showing the ownership, it becomes the possessive pronoun. So for possessive we have to write P and a small s. F. That riddle you asked me, me was tough, but I have found the answer. So here me is what? Mine? Not mine. Me means मैं, मुझे. So it is personal pronoun and it is first person. The next exercise, next sentence, that is G. Rupali stepped out onto her balcony and saw the children play in the garden with the toys that were theirs. What is it showing now? What is it showing? Theirs means unke. So it will be possessive pronoun. Okay? H. Gunjan and Manu will have to do this work themselves. It is reflexive. So children, here I have told you in short, but in the next video we have some more exercises related to pronouns, and we will do these pronouns in detail in the next video. Okay children? Till then, thank you.